Welcome to today's video. In this video, we're going to learn about how to save and manage your work on AutoCAD. This might seem to be simple, but it is a very important skill if you want to work professionally. So, if you want to save, you will go to the application menu and then type save or save as if it is your first time. Alternatively, you can just click on this shortcut, save or save as. The other option is to type save in your command, then you press enter or save as. Let's type save as, then it will open a panel where it will require you to save. If it is for the first time, you will have to specify the name. One very important thing is to ensure that the name is actually uh, linked to your project so that you can be able to retrieve it faster on later. Avoid using names like drawing 2, drawing 3, test 1, test like that. So have a let it have a purpose. For example, you can have a name like house plan version 2. So you know like this is a house plan version 2. Or maybe you can say subdivision of plot number and so on. So it will be like you'll be able to retrieve it easier on the future. So let's say, for example, you'll save it as house plan version 2. Then this is the version 2. After you make your changes, let's say you make the changes, this is the house plan. One thing that you need to do, you have to save it. And another way you can save it is by clicking Control plus S. Always ensure that you practice this whenever you make changes on your drawing. Another thing that you need to do is ensure like you have an auto save. When you make changes, it's auto save. That one will do by clicking it on the application menu, then options. By clicking on the options, you go to open and save. After clicking on open and save, you have to ensure that it is automatic save is on. And this is maybe 10 minutes, maybe you want after 5 minutes, and then you click apply. So this will ensure that your work is automatically saved whenever you make the changes, and then you can always learn and ensure that like you train yourself to always click control save after making the changes. So thank you. See you in the next video.